great joy and deep appreciation that I welcome all of you to the Safe Mile Kids Seminar Workshop.
Safe Mile Kids is designed to educate, equip, and empower children on how to navigate the world of social media safely and responsibly. 4 months ago, this project was merely an idea about how we can help countless of children under emerging threats of social media. Part of this initiative is the brainchild of my colleague, Attorney Johnson Bernardo. Inspired by the story of a young man on the verge of graduation, whose future was ruled by a case of cyberbullying.
Isa yan sa mga dapat na tinatandaan natin, lalo na nasa age tayo na, yun nga, we're very sensitive. Hindi natin alam kung ano ba yung tama, hindi natin ma-measure actually. So, yun lang, just be very confident about yourself and try to get to know yourself even better. Kasi, kapag kilala mo yung sarili mo and what you can bring to the table, or at least, yung kung alam mo yung sa sarili mo, yung kaya mong ma-inspire sa iba or ma-share sa iba. Diba? I mean, I think hindi ka naman malalos.
Safe Mile Kids is more than a program. Ito po ay isang panawagan. Panawagan sa ating mga magulang, makibahagi, maging online man or offline. Panawagan sa bawat guro na ituro, hindi lang kung paano magbasa o magsulat, kundi paano makilala ang totoo sa hindi. At panawagan sa bawat kabataan, maging mabait, maging maingat, at higit sa lahat, maging matapang na maging tama.
There is no deeper desire than to keep our children safe, not just in our homes or schools, but especially in the digital world we cannot always predict. Bilang isa sa mga nagsusulong ng teknolohiya sa ating bansa, nakita ko na rin ang mga panganib na dulot nito sa ating mga kabataan. So, when we talk about Safe Mile Kids, we are starting a movement, no? Daisy, one that comes at a critical time in our nation's history, a time when the lines between online and offline are disappearing for our children. We must always balance access and protection. We must also teach them how to spot online predators, how to identify misinformation, or how to protect their privacy.
Well, first of all po, I've learned about responsible use of social media, especially lalo na very impactful ang social media ngayon since it's global na. So, I've learned na when we use social media, we should be cautious, and as the saying goes, we should always think before we click.
Katulad po ng mga lesson po na sinabi po nila sa amin is every information po na isi-share po namin and every information po na aaralin po namin is ipa-fact check po namin and iintindihin po namin and using the internet not just for entertainment po.
Nakakatuwang isipin na napaka-importante ng ganitong uri ng seminar bilang para sa aming mga magulang kasi natututunan namin kung paano namin i-handle yung mga bata na sobrang exposed sa social media. It's an eye-opener para sa aming mga magulang to, lalo na ang mga batang gamit na gamit yung mga social media sa kanilang paglaki, sa kanilang pag-aaral at sa mga pang-araw-araw nilang gawain.